You never stand up for me.
If you disobey orders, people get killed.
You want him gone. That's why you didn't say anything.
He's a loose cannon. He's just like you. In fact, if you hadn't gone to him in the first place, if you hadn't disobeyed orders, and your brother would still be...
Little brother, tell me one thing before you go. How did I die? You got shot. We could have escaped, but I made us go back for Sparta. And we had to go back. That's not your fault. Tell that to Dad. We weren't even supposed to be out there. I got us caught because I disobeyed orders. That's just you, little bro. It wasn't my fault. That's not my fault! I love you, brother. Scowl.
Oh, my son! My son!
I killed my brother. I have to live with that for the rest of my life.
You brought shame to this family.
Stay in this life, brother. We need you. We love you. You have greatness in you.
I'm going. Oh, he's your brother. No, I'm your brother. I already lost my brother. I can't lose anyone else.